The eyes that weep in the grief of Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam, if are saved from being polluted until the next majlis, then the condolence is 100% accepted. If the hand that fell on the chest in mourning of Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam did not raise on any oppressed, oblique, constrained, oblique, helpless, then this hand will be the first among those who say Labbaik, 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 Ya Waris Khun Hussain at the reappearance of Imam Mahdi Ajjalallahu Farajahu Sharif. If the step taken towards the Zikr Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam is not taken for wrong deeds, then on reappearance of Qaim Ajjalallahu Farajahu Sharif, one step will be here and the next step will be in the Kaaba. The hand that carries the black flag of Hazrat Abbas Salamdar alayhi salatu wasalam always longs to carry the white flag on the appearance of Qaim Ali Muhammad Ajjalallahu Farajahu Sharif. The black flag embarked on our house demands of us that I am not just a symbol, but there should be grief in every corner of the house. The one serving water at Sabil Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam should do it with great respect. Possibly Mawla Mahdi Ajjalallahu Farajahu Sharif can be present among those who ask for water. In the Langar Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam, the eaters, oblique feeders, should not do it as a favor, but should consider it as a favor by Mawla Ajjalallahu Farajahu Sharif and the grateful to him for the ability to do so. While walking in the procession, give condolence in the greatest mourner of the universe, Ajjalallahu Farajahu Sharif, near you. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajjal farajahum bi qaimihim ajjalallahu.